The Indian Navy has heightened surveillance in the northern and central regions of the Arabian Sea and the Gulf of Aden in response to recurrent security concerns reported on merchant vessels navigating international shipping lanes. Deploying naval task groups consisting of destroyers and frigates, the Navy aims to conduct maritime security operations and offer assistance to merchant vessels encountering security challenges, as stated in a December 31 statement. Collaborating closely with the Coast Guard, the Navy is actively addressing emerging security risks in the Indian Ocean. The last few weeks have witnessed increased maritime security incidents on merchant vessels transiting through international shipping lanes in the Red Sea, the Gulf of Aden, and the Central and North Arabian Sea. Various commercial vessels have been targeted by Iran-backed Houthi rebels from Yemen in the Red Sea, Arabian Sea, and the Gulf of Aden amid the Israel-Hamas war. The piracy incident on MV Ruin, approximately 700 nautical miles from the Indian coast, and the recent drone attack on MV Kem Pluto, approximately 220 nautical miles southwest of Port Bandar, indicates a shift in maritime incidents closer to Indian EEZ. The overall situation is being closely monitored by the Indian Navy in coordination with national maritime agencies. Indian Navy remains committed to ensuring the safety of merchant shipping in the region, said the Indian Navy in a statement. In view of the increased maritime security incidents on merchant vessels transiting through international shipping lanes in the Red Sea, Gulf of Aden, and Central North Arabian Sea, the Indian Navy has substantially enhanced maritime surveillance efforts in the Central North Arabian Sea and augmented force levels. Task groups comprising destroyers and frigates have been deployed to undertake maritime security operations and render assistance to merchant vessels in case of any incident. Aerial surveillance by long-range maritime patrol aircraft and RPAs has been enhanced to have complete maritime domain awareness. Towards effective surveillance of EEZ, the Indian Navy is operating in close coordination with the Indian Coast Guard, it added. Indian Navy officials have revealed that Admiral R. Harikumar, the Chief of the Indian Navy, has issued directions to undertake all necessary measures to enhance security in the Arabian Sea region. They have been instructed to maintain vigilance for any suspicious activity and conduct thorough checks of all potentially dubious boats to ensure the safety of merchant vessels and mariners. This decision by the Indian Navy follows the recent incident where a drone hit the merchant vessel MV Kem Pluto nearly 400 kilometers off the Indian coastline. The ship, with a crew of 21 members, 20 Indians and 1 Vietnamese, arrived at Mumbai port under the protection of the Coast Guard ship Vikram on December 26, 2 days after the drone incident in the Arabian Sea. In addition to deploying frigates and destroyers, the Indian Navy has also positioned maritime patrol aircraft and unmanned aerial vehicles for enhanced security measures.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.